Risk is a part of life. Dangerous situations can occur within a split second. The active hood of the new SLK may reduce the risk of injury to pedestrians. Pyrotechnic hood lifters activate quickly in the case of an accident. The hood has more room to crumple and the force of the impact is reduced. The hood lifters are found at the left and right of the top end of the hood. After an accident, they must be replaced. For this work, you'll need a certificate for handling airbags and restraint systems. Please don't forget the fender cover and to disconnect the negative terminal of the battery. The removal of the right lifter is easy. Undo the yellow plug and remove the plug connector from the retaining rail. When you lift this latch hook with a screwdriver, it's easy. After undoing the fastening bolt, you can remove the lifter. Before you start with the removal of the left lifter, you have to do 3 things. First, remove the 6 expanding rivets. Then remove the windshield wipers. And to remove the water collector, strength is needed. Now you can start with the removal of the left hood lifter. First, unplug the connector. Then the cover of the fuse box is next. A spacer is attached to the left hood lifter, as you see with this model. Take this off first. Then undo the fastening bolt and remove the lifter. Now you can begin with the installation of the new lifters in the reverse order.